Today, we look at a deeply insightful story about how artificial intelligence is transforming software development in ways that go beyond just speeding up coding. This is the story of a developer who carried an 8-year wish to build better tools for SQLite, a widely used, lightweight database engine, and finally realized it in just 3 months using AI. Why does this matter? Because it reveals both the immense potential and the nuanced challenges of integrating AI into complex software projects that affect millions of users worldwide. SQLite is everywhere, from your phone to embedded devices and many cloud services. Yet, despite its ubiquity, the developer experience around it has lagged behind. Tools for formatting, linting, and parsing SQLite were often unreliable or inflexible, making it tough to build advanced features for querying or debugging. For years, this gap persisted mainly because building precise developer tools for SQLite is incredibly hard and tedious. Parsing SQL exactly as SQLite does means grappling with a complex, dense C codebase with hundreds of intricate rules and no formal specification. For many, this would be a project too daunting to tackle in spare time. Enter AI coding agents. Our developer, who had been experimenting with AI since early 2025, noticed a leap in quality by late 2025. They decided to take a bold approach. Could they delegate almost all coding and design to an AI agent using a premium service and act as a technical manager? Over January, the AI produced a working but tangled codebase that proved the concept. Then, realizing the fragility, the developer rewrote it from scratch in Rust, taking back full control of design decisions and using AI more as a sophisticated autocomplete tool. The result? SQLite, a comprehensive SQLite Devtools set, including a parser, formatter, editor extensions, and a web playground, launched by mid-March. What does this mean in the short term? It shows AI can dramatically reduce the time and mental barriers to launching serious, user-facing software projects. The developer's story highlights 3 key impacts: overcoming procrastination by breaking down complex problems into concrete AI-assisted tasks, accelerating code writing, especially for routine or standard parts, and acting as a teaching assistant, compressing learning curve for unfamiliar technologies. For software teams, this suggests AI is already a powerful productivity multiplier, enabling faster iteration and richer feature sets, even on niche or complex code bases. On the flip side, there are costs. The developer experienced what they called an addiction to prompting AI, the fatigue of diminishing returns when tired, and losing touch with the codebase's mental model as AI-generated code grew sprawling and hard to follow. Well-understood tasks, but struggled with holistic design, especially architectural decisions without clear right answers. This mirrors a broader truth. AI is brilliant at implementation details, but a poor substitute for human judgment, taste, and understanding of long-term context. So, in the next couple of years, we can expect hybrid workflows where humans take back ownership of design and architecture while AI handles the heavy lifting of coding and refactoring. Looking further ahead, over the next decade, this story hints at a future where AI fundamentally reshapes software creation. But it also warns us that simply accelerating code generation is not enough. Maintaining institutional knowledge, evolving APIs thoughtfully, and preserving a sense of software history will remain human responsibilities. AI's lack of temporal understanding, its inability to perceive the passage of time or the evolution of design, means that without careful stewardship, projects risk accumulating technical debt or design drift faster than before. We may see new tools or practices emerging to capture and convey project context better, possibly augmented by AI, but always requiring human validation. In reflecting on this journey, the developer's honest account serves as a valuable case study. They confirm that AI can make previously impossible side projects feasible, unlock mental bandwidth for user experience considerations, and generate entire ecosystems of supporting tools cheaply. Yet they also caution against over-reliance on AI for the soul of software, its architecture and user-facing design, where human experience, intuition, and judgment remain irreplaceable. This equilibrium will define how AI shapes software engineering in the coming years. For the rest of us, whether we're developers, product managers, or simply technology enthusiasts, this story is a reminder that AI's promise is real but nuanced. Success comes from knowing when to trust AI, when to lead it, and how to integrate it thoughtfully into our workflows. It's not about handing over control, but about amplifying human creativity and discipline. And as AI tools continue to evolve, we'll see more stories like SQLites, projects that exist today because AI made them possible, yet only flourish because humans guided them carefully.